Hello, girls and boys. Ready? Let's begin.
Hey, hello, what's up, lovely and smart people? This is your host Sandy. You are listening to the very first show of this channel, Upstart. This channel is purely based on the personal finance and knowledge. And believe me, guys, when money and knowledge is added together, it can really revolutionize your lifestyle. Yeah, I know, the shit just got heavy. So without further ado, let's get started. You know, guys, whenever someone used to talk to me about savings, mutual funds, investments, etc., I used to be like, just take your fucking
mutual funds, fixed deposits, stock market, fiscal instruments, currency,
and just go, man. Just have a life, man. You know what? Then I realized money is the only thing which can make you have life.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
It's not only me. Like, lots of people hate discussing money related topics, and I don't know why. Because money is the only subject that affects every single aspect of our life, and yet we somehow never want to talk about it.
Why?
I think it's because we were never trained as a kids to talk or even think about money. We didn't speak money with our family, we didn't speak money with our friends, we never discussed finance at school. In maths, we would be like, hey, how much you bought that tiffin for, Ray? And that's it. That's pretty much it. Like, we didn't learn how to file taxes in the school, but we were taught to memorize 5500 different words for 1 mark objective questions, fill in the blanks, match the column, and all the other rubbish.
Nope.
So if someone asks me, so Mr. Kumar, where would you like to invest your hard-earned money?
mitochondria is powerhouse of cell.
I think a lot of good but difficult habit is knowing and understanding money, managing money, is that something needs to be instilled in us since we were children. But in India, we were always shunned away from discussing about money. Like, as an example, so many of us till date still we have zero idea of how much money our parents make. Like, we will talk about every useless thing on the planet.
Beta, everything is okay in your college, no beta?
Yes, Papa.
Any difficulty you're facing? You're feeling good now? Everything is great in the college, no beta?
No, Papa. Everything is good. Papa, I wanted to ask you one question. What is your salary?
Shut the fuck up, you asshole. Go study.
You know what? But I'm certain that our relationship and attitude towards the money is pretty much messy. Like, sometimes we act making money is a bad thing. At some point of time, everyone has accused someone of being money-minded. Why is being money-minded a bad thing? Aren't we all money-minded? Shouldn't we all be money-minded? I mean, it's only the thing that makes literally every fucking thing in the world go around. Sometimes we even act like making money is a bad thing. Like, if your friend buys a car, oh, look at that guy, bro. He's showing off, bro. Or if a friend gets a promotion, bro, look at this guy, bro. He became manager, bro. He must be earning shit ton of money, bro. Like, sometimes we see someone makes a lot of money and our first instinct is to pull them down to feel better about ourselves. He must be having black money, bro. He's not paying taxes, bro. He's undeserving of this money, bro. Arey, bro, I'm telling you, bro. In fact, we have reached a point where being broke is basically hilarious. We have all seen that meme about being broke, right?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I literally love memes, but am I the only one who is concerned that as a generation we have forgotten basically to live below our means and go broke every 4 weeks, and we are celebrating that the fact it is hilarious to us? I think the attitude like that has ruined the whole generation. It's embarrassing for me to admit, but I'm also one of those people who has made some fucking terrible financial choices. Like, one of the biggest thing in the life is I have spent way too much time trying to achieve status, and I wish I would have spent even half the time to make myself financially more stable and independent and stronger. Which is why I have decided to make this show in the first place. So I and people watching or listening the show both can learn a little bit. I think this is the channel where I would learn and make mistakes. Well, I don't want to make more pressure on you to learn everything in a day, but I would like to make pressure to at least think about it. Well, that's all for this podcast, guys. I thought to go with little basic things to say hello, hi, how's it going? On that note, see you guys on the new podcast with a new topic. Smash that like button, share with your friends who are clueless like me in the personal finance. Follow me on Instagram with the same handle, Upstart.
Peace out, queeps.